What if the what if the very words you use to manifest your dreams are actually the reasons that your manifestation is not happening? What if the problem is not that you are visualizing incorrectly, not that you are doing affirmations incorrectly, not that you are lacking faith, and not even that the universe is refusing to give you what you desire? What if the deeper issue is hidden in just two simple words that you use every day? I am. Think about how often you say, I am struggling, I am unlucky, I am afraid, I am not good enough, I am not successful, I am broke, I am sick, and I am not worthy. Most of the time, we say these things without even realizing their deeper meaning. We think we are simply describing our current circumstances. But according to the deeper teachings of I Am, we are doing something much more powerful. We are identifying our own self with these experiences, and this is where we need to pause and look within, because I am is not simply a phrase, it points to your deeper sense of identity. I am is the presence, the divine consciousness, the God intelligence within you, which experience the life through our body. So be careful what you place after the words I am. When you say I am angry, by saying this, you are invoking anger to your being or the I am. By doing this, you are changing a temporary emotion into your identity, the actual natural qualities of your own self. The I am is peace, abundance, joy, etc. But when you repeatedly identify your I am with anger, you are replacing the original qualities of your being with angry or anger. And you strengthen an identity organized around anger. And that new identity can influence what you notice, how you interpret the situations, how you react, and therefore the kinds of experiences and relationship patterns you repeatedly create due to this. So, identifying the I am or your own self with anger, it can reinforce an anger based identity, which may lead you to notice more anger or more situations of anger, which will lead you to interpret situations from the anger perspective, and it will lead you to react more angrily or to react to situations and create repeated conflict patterns. It doesn't mean that simply saying I am angry magically attract angry situations, but repeated identification with anger can strengthen the mental and emotional pattern. Instead of making anger your identity, recognize the anger which is happening within you. Anger is present and I am aware of it. By doing this, there is a distance between your own self, the I am, or the your being, and the emotion you experience. You acknowledge the emotion without making that as a part of you. Then return to the simple awareness of yourself, the I am. So the core teachings from this is that what you attach or invoke to I am can reinforce your sense of identity and influence your experiences in your life. You will invite similar experiences or similar situations of life when you identify your own self with any other emotions and making it a habit. The same principle can be applied to fear, lack, failure, anxiety, or any other temporary experience. In such case, what we have to do is that experience it, observe it, but don't make it our identity. So, I want you to try something very simple today. The next time you experience a trigger, don't immediately react to the trigger. Maybe someone says something that hurts you. Maybe you receive some disappointing news. Maybe you look at your bank account and feel fear. Maybe you think about your future and suddenly feel anxious. Maybe an old insecurity appears in your mind. So instead of immediately saying, I am afraid, or I am failing, or I am in trouble, just pause. Pause for a minute. Make a, take a slow deep breath. Notice the thought which is appearing within your awareness. Notice the emotion associated with the thought. Notice the sensation which is appearing in your body part, and then ask yourself, who is aware of this? Don't rush to answer. Simply become still. Notice that the thought is being observed by the presence within you. Notice that the emotion is being observed by the presence within you. Notice that the body sensation is being observed by the presence within you. That is the I am. Then gently return to the simple awareness which is aware of all these sensations. The awareness within you. Gently return to it. Rest there within the awareness, within the self, within the I am. Stay there for a few moments without trying to create anything. No forcing, no begging, no desperate visualization, no struggle. Just be in the presence. When you stop defining yourself by your circumstance and rest in the simple awareness of the I am, you move from identifying with the effect to recognizing the deeper source of your being. Instead of saying, I am trying to become abundant, I am trying to heal, or I am trying to manifest, you begin from a deeper place of presence, stillness, trust, and wholeness. Your manifestation journey changes when you stop asking, what do I want to get? And begin asking, what am I invoking when I say I am? Be careful what you are invoking to your own self, your divine presence within you. So thank you guys. If this message touched your heart, subscribe to Magical Life for more meditations, spiritual wisdom, and practical manifestation techniques. Until next time, stay grateful, stay aligned, and keep creating your magical life. Thank you guys.